Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make a frame gift. First, gather your materials. You'll need a sturdy picture frame, perhaps an 8 by 10 inch or 5 by 7 inch size, along with some beautiful decorative paper, strong adhesive, and a pair of sharp scissors. Having everything ready before you begin makes the crafting process much smoother and more enjoyable. This preparation ensures a perfect, personalized present. Next, let's personalize the background. Select a decorative paper that truly speaks to the recipient's taste or the event you're celebrating. Carefully measure the frame's backing board and cut your chosen paper to fit perfectly. Then, using a reliable adhesive, attach the paper smoothly to the board, ensuring there are no air bubbles. This step adds a wonderful, personal touch to your thoughtful gift. Now for the focal point of your gift. Choose something truly special, like a cherished photograph, a heartfelt handwritten note, or a small, significant piece of art. Carefully position this item within the frame, ensuring it's centered and visually appealing. You might use a tiny dot of removable adhesive on the back to hold it in place without causing any damage. This is where your gift truly comes to life. Finally, let's assemble and present your beautiful frame gift. Carefully place the backing board with your personalized elements back into the frame. Secure all the clips or tabs to hold everything firmly. Give the glass a good wipe to ensure it's sparkling clean. For an extra special touch, you could tie a lovely ribbon around the frame or attach a small, handwritten gift tag. Your unique, handmade gift is now ready to be cherished.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.